In a brainstorming session, a lot of ideas are generated. How do you organize these ideas to make them more useful? This is where the affinity diagram comes in. An affinity diagram organizes ideas into separate groups and use connecting lines to show the relationship of these groups. Using an affinity map is a collaborative team effort. It follows the following steps. 1. The team agrees on the purpose of using the affinity diagram and indicate the source of the reference material. 2. The team generates a lot of ideas by brainstorming. For example, these ideas are how to improve the functionality of the product. 3. Organize these ideas into groups, give each group a name, and use connecting lines to show how they relate to each other. 4. Generate more ideas or ask various questions according to each group. 5. Prioritize these ideas to guide subsequent product development efforts.